In this tutorial video, you will learn how to produce graphical analysis. After the layer to be analyzed is activated in the layer box, click the Create Layer Analysis Chart button on the right side of the panel. Chart types are listed in the Open panel. Click on the Use button under the chart to create a chart. Then the chart title, column information to be used, column information to be searched, and action type information are entered. Chart is created with Create Chart button. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.